So, how do parasites actually move about in the vector? So this is like the mosquito or the tsetse fly. So I'm going to use the example of a trypanosome, how they move through a vector. So they originate in the midgut, where the blood meal's stored after so the tsetse fly will take a blood meal, take up the parasite, and then it'll go to the midgut. It then moves from the midgut to the salivary gland, and for the size of the parasite is the distance from the midgut to the salivary gland is actually the equivalent of the Atlantic Ocean. So that's a long time. And whilst it's swimming along this very long distance, it undergoes modification to its morphology to help it complete the life cycle. So like it develops a longer tail and such. It then arrives at the salivary gland. When the tsetse fly takes another blood meal, it then injects the parasite through its saliva, and there you go. So here's some example of those modifications that occur with the trypanosome parasite in the tsetse fly. So you can see how it has like this long tail here, the slender proliferative form when it's moving along to the midgut. It then turns into this short stumpy one, which has the stumpy induction factor, where it has no tail, so it doesn't swim as fast.